The sciatic nerve is the longest and largest nerve in the human body, starting from the lower back and extending through the buttocks to the lower limbs. It arises from nerve roots L4 to S3 and primarily controls motor and sensory functions of the legs and feet. The sciatic nerve splits into two main branches at the knee: the tibial nerve, which runs down the back of the leg and foot, and the common peroneal nerve, which manages the front and side of the leg. These branches are crucial for movements and sensory feedback from the lower extremities. To trace the sciatic nerve, we need to begin by locating the vertebrae from L4 to S3. Then locate ischial tuberosity. Lastly, locate popliteal fossa. Now trace the nerve by hitting all the bony landmarks along its pathway. First, locate popliteal fossa, then locate the posterior side of the lateral malleolus. Trace the nerve by connecting the bony landmarks, as well as two deviations at the termination point. Start by locating the popliteal fossa. Then locate head of the fibula. Trace the nerve by connecting the bony landmarks. Don't forget to trace the deviations at the termination point. First, locate head of the fibula. Then we're locating the inferior extensor retinaculum. Now trace the nerve by connecting the bony landmarks. And make sure to trace the deviations at the termination point. Start by locating head of the fibula. Then locate lower 1/3 of the fibula. Trace the nerve by connecting the bony landmarks and the deviations at the termination point.